Hi guys! Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see how a nuclear reactor works. A nuclear reactor is a device that uses nuclear reactions to generate heat and electricity. There are several different types of nuclear reactors, but they all rely on the same basic principles. 1. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the process that occurs inside the reactor. It is the process of splitting the nucleus of an atom into two or more smaller nuclei, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. The most common fuel used in nuclear reactors is uranium, which is a naturally occurring element. 2. Fuel assembly. Nuclear fuel is typically in the form of small pellets that are placed inside long, thin rods. These rods are then bundled together to form a fuel assembly. The fuel assemblies are placed inside the reactor core, which is the heart of the reactor. 3. Control rods. Control rods are used to control the amount of nuclear reactions that occur inside the reactor. They are made of materials that absorb neutrons, which are the subatomic particles that are released during nuclear reactions. By inserting or withdrawing control rods, the operator can adjust the amount of heat being produced by the reactor. 4. Coolant. The heat generated by the nuclear reactions inside the reactor needs to be removed in order to keep the temperature at a safe level. This is done by using a coolant, which is a liquid or gas that absorbs the heat and carries it away from the reactor. The most common coolants used in nuclear reactors are water, carbon dioxide, and helium. 5. Steam generator. The heat carried away by the coolant is used to generate steam, which is then used to turn a turbine and generate electricity. The steam is produced in a steam generator, which is a heat exchanger that transfers the heat from the coolant to the water used to generate steam. 6. Containment. To protect the public and the environment from the radioactive materials used in the reactor is enclosed in a containment structure. This is typically a large, reinforced concrete structure that surrounds the reactor and is designed to withstand severe accidents. 7. Safety systems. In addition to the containment, there are also a number of safety systems in place to protect the public and the environment in the event of an accident. These include systems for controlling the pressure and temperature inside the reactor, as well as systems for containing any radioactive materials that might be released. 8. Waste management. Nuclear power plants produce radioactive waste as a byproduct of the nuclear reactions. The management of this waste is a major concern, and there are several methods available for dealing with it, including long-term storage, reprocessing, and disposal in deep geological repositories. Overall, nuclear reactors use nuclear fission to generate heat and electricity. Fuel assemblies containing uranium pellets are placed inside the reactor core and are kept at a safe temperature using coolants. Control rods are used to control the amount of nuclear reactions. The heat is then carried away by the coolant and used to generate steam, which turns a turbine to generate electricity. Safety systems and containment structures are in place to protect the public and the environment, and the management of radioactive waste is a major concern. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.